I'm Matt Rosser. I'm the director here at the Center for Manufacturing Support at JSU. So the CMS is underneath the umbrella of the Department of Applied Engineering. We specialize in additive manufacturing and robotics and automation support for regional industry. So we're certified with a variety of different robots that industry uses, as well as we have several, just about $2 million worth of additive manufacturing technology that we use to support industry. So we have 3 full-time engineers that are staffed here at the CMS, as well as student workers from the Department of Applied Engineering. Those students get invaluable experience working on everything that we work on with the industry, from robot integration systems to fixture design, you name it. They're well prepared when they graduate after working here at the CMS.
My name is Mason Faircloth. I'm an applied engineering student here at JSU. Some of the robots that we have are Universal Robots cobots. They're interactive robots where you can work hands-on with them, and they will be more safe than other robots used in the industry. We have our Fanuc robots, which are more speedy, and they have more tight-knit patterns that you can program into them. And then some other Dobots, which are recent additions, and you can program them with a simple Apple iPad.
Hey, I'm Bill Whaley. I'm currently the technical unit lead for the frame assembly department at Honda Alabama Auto Plant here in Lincoln, Alabama. Currently, we've got a nice partnership between JSU and Honda Alabama Auto Plant. We set this partnership up to set up a parallel cooperative program, and in that program we allow full-time students to come and work with us part-time, 20 to 25 hours a week. What we see is that a place like this facility here at the CMS really prepares them for a place like Honda, whether it's a Moto Man or an ABB or a Fanuc robot. We have those throughout our facility in multiple departments. Particularly our weld departments alone has over 400 robots. So really getting some exposure before they get it onto the real world for experience really helps them a long way.
My name is Daniel Bird with ACS. I'm a sales engineer, and we're really excited to have our robots in the new CMS space at JSU. Our relationship with JSU is very beneficial to ACS because we can show our robots to different people in industry and give them an idea of what they can expect in their facility.
I'm Don Hopper with the Calhoun County Economic Development Council. The organization I work for recruits industry, works with our existing businesses, our existing industry in the county and the area. The applied engineering degree here, the Center for Manufacturing Support, are both parts of what we use to recruit industry. When students come out of Jacksonville State, they have a tremendous amount of opportunity to work with our automation, to work with our robotics. There are companies that are looking in the Calhoun County area and in this region all the time for the kinds of skills that come out of this facility.